What's up guys, this is VKJR and I'm back with another tutorial, and in this video what I'm going to show you is how you can download and install PUBG Lite on your PC. So let's begin. First of all, I have these three links right here. I've already put these links in the description of this video as well. What we're going to do is go to this link. First of all, link number 2, paste it in your browser here. If you open up this page, just translate it. If you're using Google Chrome, translate it. You just have to click here, apply for ID. It will take you to this registration form. Just put your email address, password and date of birth, etc., and click on create my accounts. It will ask you to verify your email. Once you verify your email, your account will be ready to use. I have already created my account, so I won't be creating again as it is too easy and simple. So after you have created your account, go to the link number 3 and paste it in your browser. I've already opened this in my browser, so I've just click here, download software through VPN client, and it will start downloading the package. I've already downloaded it here. Yes, you can see here. Once you download it, just extract it, right click and extract it, and just run the setup. So just click on next, 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 and so on. Okay, so once you have installed the VPN, just click on finish and then go to your desktop. This is a VPN you just installed. Just open it and you will see this window pop up. Just click on this option here and it will take you to this page. It might ask you to enable the VPN first. Just click on the enable VPN tick box and then it will take you to this page. From here you just have to find the Thailand servers. Just click on region and then Thailand. Choose a server with the highest speed. So let's just say we are gonna choose this one. Just double click, use TCP protocol, and it's connecting. Yes, it is connected. To just check if you are using a Thailand server, just go to your Google and type my IP and it will, damn, it's slow. The VPN is a bit slow, but you can play the game just fine. This is your IP address, but this does not tell you the location of your IP. Just for that purpose, just go to the speed test. Just open this one and you can see here these are all the Thailand ads showing here. This means that you are connecting from Thailand. So yeah, that's it, you are from Thailand. So now as we are connected to the VPN, what we are going to do is open this one, the link number first. It just copy and paste it in your browser and it will start downloading the PUBG Lite setup. Sorry, PUBG Lite launcher setup. I have already downloaded it here. This one, just after the download, just double click and run it. It's in Thai language, so you just have to click the next button right here. I agree, yes, next, next, next. After you have installed the game, sorry, launcher, just go to your desktop and you will see this icon right here. Just open it, click yes, make sure the VPN is running before you open this one. You see this window will pop up and you just need to type your email address and password from the PUBG Lite website. Remember, in the video at the startup you just created an account for yourself, so just type your email and password and click here, the yellow button, and it's gonna take you to a launcher. Here you just need to click on this button and it will start downloading your game. Yes, so it's started downloading. It's 1.9 GB, so I am also gonna download the game and see you after the download. Okay, so guys, I am back and the downloading is complete. So all we have got to do is now just click on this orange button right here and it will initialize your game. My screen recorder might not support the in-game recording, so I'm not gonna record it. Just click on this orange button and the game will launch. That's it, guys. If you have any questions you can ask them in the comments section. I will try my best to answer them. So that's it. See you in the next video. Take care.